Lab-grown diamond jewelry, the ultimate care guide. Lab-grown diamonds are celebrated for their brilliance, ethical origins, and affordability. Just like natural diamonds, they deserve proper care to maintain their sparkle and longevity. Here's everything you need to know to keep your lab-grown diamond jewelry looking flawless. Clean gently, shine bright. Regular cleaning removes buildup from lotions, skin oils, or dust. Use a soft toothbrush and a mixture of lukewarm water with mild dish soap. Gently scrub your jewelry and rinse well. Pat dry with a lint-free cloth. Avoid harsh chemicals. Although lab diamonds are durable, harsh chemicals like bleach, chlorine, or ammonia can dull the metal settings. Always remove your jewelry before cleaning, swimming, or applying products like perfume or hairspray. Store with care. Store your pieces separately in a fabric-lined box or soft pouch to avoid scratches. Lab-grown diamonds can scratch other gemstones or metal if not stored properly. Wear smartly. Lab-grown diamonds are tough, but their settings may be delicate. Remove rings when working with your hands, exercising, or doing any activity that could cause damage or loosen the stone. Schedule regular checks. Have your jewelry inspected at least once a year by a professional. Prongs can weaken over time, and regular checkups will help prevent stone loss or unnecessary damage. Avoid ultrasonic cleaners at home. Though effective, ultrasonic cleaners can sometimes loosen stones, especially in halo or pave settings. Stick to gentle at-home methods unless recommended by a jeweler. Conclusion: lab-grown diamond jewelry offers sustainable beauty, but like all fine jewelry, it needs thoughtful care. With the right habits, your pieces will continue to sparkle for generations.